Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to send WhatsApp link. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on WhatsApp app. Okay, click on settings, then tap on this option and click on share icon. Okay, choose on someone, just tap, then click on send. Okay, check, tap on this person and to send WhatsApp link. Okay, try another way. Click on settings, tap on this option, click on share and tap on copy. Okay, then back, choose on messenger and click on someone and paste, send. That's all to send WhatsApp link. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.